If you didn't already know, our pad wrappers melt in hot water, and if you want a demonstration, watch this.
For the first time in my life, I've been looking forward to my periods, and because I got some August pads, and this is the thing I wanted to do most. They have the wrappers of the pads. This is a pad and this is a wrapper. The wrapper dissolves in hot water. It's kind of magical, so I'm gonna put it here. I've been dying to do that. Look at this. It disappears. Wait, I'm gonna show you. See? It dissolves in water. Oh my god, this is so cool. Yeah. No wrapper.